Stainless steel has a wide range of applications, from small pin to construction of automobiles, petrochemicals, space, shipbuilding industries, and power plants. In stainless steel family, there are about 200 alloys of stainless steel with excellent heat and corrosion resistance properties. But today, we are going to discuss about two of the most commonly used stainless steel grades and what is the difference between the two grades. The major difference between 304 and 316 stainless steel is their chemical composition, which is responsible for the next major difference, that is corrosion resistance. Let us find out the difference between 304 and 316 stainless steel in various areas. So first we will see the chemical composition of both the grades. SS304 has 18 to 20% of chromium and 8 to 11% of nickel, whereas SS316 has 16 to 18% of chromium and 10 to 14% of nickel. SS304 does not contain molybdenum, whereas SS316 contains 2 to 3% of molybdenum. Let us see overall chemical composition of both the grades. So apart from the iron, these are the main chemical elements of stainless steel: carbon, manganese, phosphorus, sulfur, silicon, chromium, nickel, molybdenum, and nitrogen. So if we see the chemical composition of SS304 and SS316, carbon is 0.08% in both the grades, manganese 2%, phosphorus maximum 0.045, sulfur 0.03 in both the grades, silicon 0.075 in both the grades, chromium is 18 to 20% in SS304 and 16 to 80% in SS316. Nickel is 8 to 11%, and in 316 it is 10 to 14%. Moly, there is no moly in SS304. In SS316, moly is 2 to 3%. Nitrogen is 0.01% in both the grades. So if we see, majorly these three elements are there which make a difference between 304 and 316 stainless steel. Mechanical properties. If you see the mechanical properties, SS304 is not different from SS316. Both the grades are having almost same mechanical properties. Let us see the tensile and yield strength of both the grades. So tensile and yield strength of 304 and 316 SS is 75 KSI or 515 megapascal tensile strength and 30 KSI or 205 megapascal yield strength. So we can see here that mechanical properties are same for both the grades. Corrosion resistance. SS304 can withstand corrosion from most oxidizing acids and general corrosion. 304 stainless steel does have one weakness. It is susceptible to corrosion from chloride solutions or from saline environment. Chloride ion can create localized area of corrosion called fittings. Solutions with as little as 25 ppm of sodium chloride can begin to have a corrosive effect on SS304. However, since molybdenum is added to SS316, it improves the pitting resistance and is therefore more resistant to corrosion than SS304. SS316 is more suitable to offshore buildings, chemical plants in highly corrosive environment. SS316 provides better chloride resistance, but such heavy duty resistance is only necessary in industrial or high concentration exposure conditions. Cost. SS304 is cheaper than SS316. SS316 is about 1.5 times the cost of SS304. Actually, the price of stainless steel depends on the price of alloying elements added in the stainless steel. SS316 nickel content is higher than 304, and also SS316 contains molybdenum, while SS304 does not contain it. So the cost of SS316 is higher than the SS304. Applications or uses. SS304 can withstand corrosion from most oxidizing acids. That durability makes SS304 easy to sanitize and therefore ideal for kitchen and food applications. It is commonly used in buildings, decor, general purpose, piping for industries, utilities, etc. SS316 is commonly used in industrial application involving processing of chemicals as well as high saline environments such as coastal regions and outdoor areas. Due to its known reactive qualities, SS316 is also used in the manufacturing of medical surgical instruments. Let us see different applications of SS304 and SS316. So SS304 is used in storage tanks, fasteners and fishing hardware such as screws, nut bolts, plates, handles, etc., pots and pans, residential sink and sink parts, indoor architectural decorative hardware and equipment tubing. Common uses for SS316 are industrial equipment used in pharmaceutical industries, chemical manufacturing, industrial and chemical transportation, pressure vessels, piping for oil and gas field, medical equipment and marine equipment.